let's talk about the regression algorithm. So the regression problems can be solved by using the regression algorithm. So in case of the regression problems, we have the output as a continuous quantity, which means we can use the regression algorithm in the cases where the target variable is a continuous variable. So it also the category of the supervised machine learning, where the data sets will have the labels to start with. So in this regression, the first, that is the linear regression, which is the most simple and the effective regression algorithm. So it is used to identify or predict the cost of the house, the number of calls, all out deals, and so forth, which is the consistent variable in that case. So here we need to build a connection between the free and the watt factors by fitting the baseline, which the baseline could observe in this black line in the shown diagram. So this is the base fit line. We also called as the regression line, and have the direct condition of y is equal to ax plus b. That is the equation of line. So the data is separated into the two classes with the help of this regression line. So for example, if we want to consider a linear regression, let's consider that you are given with the challenge to estimate the unknown person's weight just by looking at them. So with no other values in the hand, this might look like a fairly difficult task for a machine. But by using the past experience, as a human, you can predict the weight. So that learning you want to provide to the machine, so that just by looking at the person, it could predict the weight. So if we go ahead, or how the humans go, they go with their past experience, and speaking, the taller someone is, the heavier they are compared to the shorter person of the same build. Okay, if someone is taller, you will say like that particular person is heavier than the shorter person. So we could define this as a linear regression. So linear regression is based used in the approaches involving low number of dimensions. So also not every problem can be linearly separable. So those can be separatable in the linear form. Those problems can only be solved with the linear regression. So some of the most popular application of the linear regression algorithm is the financial portfolio prediction, or salary forecasting, or real estate prediction, that is the house price prediction. So house price prediction, for the predicting the house price just by identifying the area and the cost, the price can be predicted. So in those cases, the linear regression definitely can be